What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print shop. Today I thought I would take you on an updated tour since everything has changed. We've been here about 2 months and I think we've relocated things already a bunch of times. Biggest thing is the person that was doing the t-shirt business on Amazon is no longer in the building with us, and they moved out about a week ago, and that room is already full of stuff. But this is the lobby area. So right here, there's a shelf next to you, which I'll show you in some B-roll. This is where we have orders that are done, that are ready to be picked up. Kind of the rest of this area is intake. So we've got a few orders on the floor, a few orders on the table that are ones that have come in that we don't necessarily have all the information for yet. Then we've got our shipping station. So this is where we print shipping labels. This is where Taylor does artwork for pens. This is where we do labels for boxes and different things. Kind of down the hall, we've got more outgoing stuff and some storage, as well as lasers and heat presses in the very back. First door on the left, or my left, or whatever way you're facing. We got a bathroom here in the corner, and then this office is the embroidery room. In the embroidery room, that's where Jacob works all day, every day. We've got the 2 Melcos and the different supplies and tools that he needs to do embroidery. The next room, we've got the DTF machine that we're still working on getting fully fixed, as well as it is now full of just storage of incoming orders. This part of the shop is the large format area. So we see you've got the Canon Colorado here, we've got the Summa flatbed table here, we've got storage for shipping products, and then behind you is kind of the laser area. So we've got it divided pretty well, where everything past this point is laser, everything this way is the large format. We'll probably replace the table here in the middle with something that's a little more suited to large format stuff, since we're getting rid of the flatbed printer. But this has changed a few times. The Summa has not moved, but originally the Colorado was this way. We had shelves different places, and I like this just because it's more open. We can have a couple of pending orders here in the shop or things that need to be shipped out that make it really easy to just have stuff done, and we've got a new printer coming. This is the laser corner of the shop. So we've got the pen lasers here, we've got the CO2 lasers here, and then again, the big work table, which the pen lasers are staying the same, but we're probably getting rid of all 3, if not at least 2 of the CO2 lasers to make room for a new laser that'll be even better. But we've got this kind of sectioned off. We've got the pens, which we do the most, here in the corner, so it makes it really easy to pull orders. They can be ready on the table, prepped on the pen lasers, and then we've got all the shipping supplies down here at the bottom so that we can then take the orders and fulfill them, go over to the shipping station, get them sent out. So it makes it really nice, really easy. Past this point is not my space, it is my brother's. And that's probably going to change here soon as well. But lots of things are happening. I'm really pleased with how things are set up on this floor and the arrangement. And it took a little while to get there, and I'm happy with the change of reducing the services that we do in-house so that we can focus on the core products. We still have upstairs, which is mostly just full of tumblers, which we're slowly dwindling down, but we'll take you up there just so you can see what it looks like. So as you can see up here, we are all still tumblers. We're slowly getting all of these down. I've thought about reorganizing them and shrinking everything and lowering the pack or the rows, but my guess is we'll be sold out of most of them within the next month. So I don't really want to go through basically the cost to rearrange them when that's going to be the case. We've got my office here, a storage room behind you, kind of a little break area right here. It's nothing to really write home about. They're just full of junk, slowly working on getting it taken care of and cleaned up. But I wanted to show you guys just what the office looks like now. Overall, the new offices that I guess reside in is about half the size of the old one. And I'm not upset. I've really enjoyed being able to minimize what we do, and the office is overall finished better because it's not just a giant warehouse that had been a million different things before me. This is a finished space, so it's really nice, really comfortable. The guys really like it. I like it. Even though it's half the space, it's been really good to basically minimize the things that we do. We've gotten rid of a bunch of things. We've minimized the offerings for in-house customization, outsource everything else. So I'm really happy with the changes. But again, we went from 3,000 to about 1,500 square feet. Rent didn't change a ton. but it did go down slightly. Overall, it's been a positive move. So I look forward to kind of what it looks like in a year from now. Thanks, guys.